Let's start developing the rule that fires when an asset enters the geofence of the area. So we're going to start off by creating an event type for the event that would be generated when the rule fires. So I'm going to go to event types, and I can create the event type by either clicking on create or this button. I'm going to go ahead and create. I'm going to call this event type car entered geofence. And I'll make this human readable here. Car entered. I'll just use that. I've apparently entered it before. Now you can associate an event type with a severity and a priority that says how important is this event for your particular business. Now, the meaning of a certain severity and a certain priority is completely up to you to define. There's nothing inherent within severities and priorities that cause our code to treat them any differently from any other severity or priority. It is completely up to you to define what certain severities and priorities mean for your business. Now I'm going to have an action be taken when an event of this type gets generated, and the action is going to be send an email. Now I'm also going to have a life cycle for this event. That means that the event can actually persist until some closing state has been set on the event. So I'm going to say that the event has a life cycle. It has an open state, which is car entered geofence. And I will set a choice of choices of closing states. And the first closing state might be car was received and was in good shape. And I'll add one more. Car arrived but was found to be damaged. So the idea is when the event occurs, a human being will actually have to choose which of these two closed states best defines the state of the asset at that point. So I'm going to go ahead and create my event type, and we're going to proceed in our subsequent video by using this event type within our rule type. We'll see that next.